Hi, I'm Jimmy, and today I will show you how to set up and use the Mirka POLAROS RP 600. First, I check that the backing pad is secured. I give it a light turn to make sure there's no looseness. I also inspect the power cord and handle area to confirm everything's clean and undamaged. Then I connect the cord to the tool. It clicks in with a quick lock and the connection feels solid. Once plugged in, I press the power button to activate the tool. The LED bar blinks green to show it's ready. The speed is shown on the LED bar. I adjust it using the speed plus and minus buttons. I usually start on a low speed and increase gradually depending on the surface I'm polishing. If I'm working on a larger surface, I use the lock function. There are two ways to activate it. Start the tool, then quickly press the lock button. Or press lock first, then quickly press the start button. To turn it off, just press either button. If I need to stop, I just press the power button. The LED shuts off and the tool powers down cleanly. That's the basic routine with the Polaros. Once you get used to it, it's straightforward, effective and reliable. In another video, I will show you how to connect your Polaros to the My Mirka app, which will help you monitor and adjust performance directly from your mobile phone.